out one evening down by a riverside, and looking all around me, an Irish girl I spied. Red and rosy were her cheeks, gold yellow was her hair, and costly were the robes of gold my Irish girl did wear. The sort of shoes that my love wore was of a Spanish brown. The sort of shoes that my love wore was bound all around with spans, crying, alas, oh, what would I do for the loss of storm or cream? Or must I go and leave my love and slight my own Molly? The second time I seen my love, I was sick and very bad, and the only request I asked of her was to tie my weary head. For I seen none as bad as me, but times might mend again. Oh, love, it is a killing thing. Did you ever feel the pain? I wish I was a red, red rose growing on yon garden fair, and I to be a gardener. Of her I would take care. There's not a month all on the year but my love I would renew with flowers fine and yarn as thine, sweet William, thyme and rue. I wish I was a butterfly, I'd fly to my love's breast, and if I was a nightingale, I'd sing my love to rest. Or if I was a blue cuckoo, I'd sing till morning clear. I'd sit and sing for you, Molly, from once I loved you, dear. I wish I was in Banagher, just sitting on the grass, and on my hand a bottle of wine, and on my knee a lass. I'd call for liquor plenty, and I'd pay before I go, and I'd roll her in my arms, let the wind blow